pulls the trigger and I'm just blown away downright. My mind's indifferent to know what's wrong or right. Her bite is bittersweet, cause I'm stuck between her lines. She silenced me with words that shouldn't be combined.
Hello my friends, and welcome back to the channel and another clean with me. Today we're doing a power hour speed clean, so we are going to need some coffee for this one. Go ahead, grab a coffee, grab a glass of water, whatever you fancy, and clean along with me.
So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do.
If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for being here and spending some more time with me today. I am so grateful that you are here. And if you are new, welcome. My name is Brianne. Here on my channel, you are going to find a lot of motivation. I am a wife, I am a mom of 2 little girls, and so there is always something to be done around the house. I love, love, love cleaning and homemaking, and I hope that my joy for it can help you to get up and motivated to clean along with me. And so if that is the type of content that you like to see, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family. And also go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel, and it also lets me know that you like these types of videos. So far we have tackled a little bit in my master bedroom, just making my bed and clearing everything off. We didn't wipe anything down in there as this is again a power hour, so I am just moving through the main areas and spaces that need to be done and only doing what needs to be done. To me, a power hour isn't always like wiping the surfaces and stuff, although you can see me dusting off these little things here, but that's just because it really needed to get done. Same with this light fixture here in our bathroom. It was really bad. These things are just some things that needed to be done. I know I've stated this before, but I actually very much so dislike sweeping. I feel like it totally defeats the purpose of cleaning, as I do find you honestly just like push the dust, push the dog hair like in the corners and the nooks and the crannies, and it doesn't work. But my vacuum is acting up again. Surprise, surprise. For those of you that are new here, my vacuum was smelling like smoke. My husband has had a chance to take it apart. He cleaned it. He found more like stuff in it. He totally cleaned it spotless, and it's still smelling like something is burning. So it is definitely like an electrical issue, and so I am gonna have to buy a new vacuum. Super fun. So anyway, that's kind of the story on the broom. Don't use a broom though. Like, do as I say, not as I do. Is that how the saying goes? Because really and truly they kind of really suck. But that is kind of all I had, so I was doing what I had to work with. So now I'm going ahead and clearing off the table here. We had Subway for lunch. We all as a family walked to Subway in the rain. We geared the girls up. They had their rain gear on. They jumped in the puddles and it was really fun. And we went again to Subway and brought some Subway home. It's one of the things that we like to do as a family together once in a while, and the girls just absolutely love it. But there is always a huge mess after we get Subway, so we're gonna go ahead and clear off the dining table here, which you'll notice I wiped 3 different times because it was really bad. And then we're gonna move into the kitchen.
With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave.
I hope that you are up and moving and cleaning along with me. If you are not, go ahead and get up. I'm sure you have like dishes in your sink, a load of laundry to do. It is honestly those everyday cleaning tasks that accumulate to help keep your home clean. In our house, I am all about preventative cleaning and just keeping up on those routines to really help keep my clean home. Now, with that being said, I am very excited to be launching my spring cleaning workbook on Monday next week, which is very, very exciting. So stay tuned for that. But in that, I'm going to show you how to deep clean your home top to bottom, room by room. I'm going to be sharing some non-toxic DIY recipes. There's going to be checklists. There's going to be the how-to, the basics of it. Honestly, it is going to be your one-stop guide. Almost think of it as like a cleaning companion to help you to tackle your mess. And I'm very excited for this. It's something I've been working on for quite some time, and I honestly cannot wait to share it with you. I truly, truly love spring cleaning and decluttering and organizing and just getting the house together. And so again, I'm just really excited to share that with you. But on a day-to-day basis, sometimes all you need is a quick little power hour to, get things picked up, get the house back in order. And so let me know down below, how often do you do a power hour? I used to do them all the time, and it has been quite some time, I'm not gonna lie, since I have done one, probably over a year. And it felt so good to get this done and just speed clean through the house. And yeah, anyway, I hope you're getting some motivation from this. I just wanted to share that little tidbit with you. Maybe it can bless your home and you can utilize the tips in that workbook.
With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. I want someone like you to stand by me always. And I dream of a man like you
sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do? Oh, when your train is gone. I don't wanna go back, back. Don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back, back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, I don't wanna go back. I know you want the best for me. Your intentions are good. I walk back to my history.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you got some amazing speed cleaning motivation in it and you tackled your mess and cleaned along with me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Back, back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go